Welcome back to my channel. This here is a tutorial on how to design press-on nails. Want to stay tuned? Continue watching. So I did mount the press-on nails on this little stand here that comes with 5 individual stands, and they are magnetic. I'll put everything in the description below on where to purchase, and here I'm going to be using this gorgeous nude that everybody loves by Cacee, Playfully Intimate or Intimately Playful. One or the other, I'll write it down below. I typically like to use this nude because it is pretty much, it's super nice in every skin tone. So this is kind of nice for any kind of French tip. The nails were already sized and I did not trim them or anything. I did just file the little tip of it because it does have like a little ridge on it. But that is about it, and I mounted them with some potty mount. I'll put everything in the description below. Like I said, this is a very easy way to design your press-on nails, and they are really stuck on there and sturdy. So first I'm going to start off with one coat, and I like to do one hand, well, pretty much one hand at a time, and then go ahead and cure. Go ahead and apply a second coat for extra coverage. A lot of times one coat is good, but of course, since these are press-on nails, 2 coats are going to be needed for this. And just carefully apply it on the nail, making sure everything is fully covered like you would typically normally do on a regular nail set. And this design is super simple, guys. It is super nice and just very elegant look. And if you want to purchase any press-on nails customized by yours truly, definitely check out my Instagram. You can direct message me there and I can send you guys a sizing kit for that, and I can get exact measurements and, you know, proceed from there. And this shape is long coffin. Like I said, I didn't trim anything, so they are pretty long. And after I did 2 coats and pretty much cured them, I'm gonna go ahead and get a striping brush and get one nail individually, and pretty much for balance, using my pinky, you know, leaning against my index finger, just doing a straight line as possible, covering it all up. Usually this is white chalk by D&D. This has very full coverage, so that's why I like to use this. And then making sure that you have your desired look, thinness and thickness. I tried not to do it too thick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and draw another line, but this one's gonna be a thin line. It's a cute design that I've seen. I'm not too sure who had posted it, but I was inspired by it and I decided to do it. If you mess up, guys, it's okay. You guys can clean it up with a cleanup brush. Just keep making sure your lines are straight, turn it around like if you would a natural nail. Same thing with the other ones, guys. Although the other hand, I did the opposite side because usually that's what I normally do. When I do it one side, I do the opposite side the other way. So carefully, you know, just be patient with this. Any kind of design, just be patient with it. And then do this. I mean, lines are hard enough already, but you got it. You are capable of doing it. Just try. Look how beautiful and elegant that looks. Super classy, very chic, and super simple. Like I always say, it's just gorgeous. And cure every individual nail for sure. Don't wait till all of them are done and then cure them, because you might have an accident if that's the case. After they're all done, this is so freaking cute. I'm gonna go ahead and top it off with my favorite top coat by Koopa. And I apply it on all of them, and then I cure for a minute, maybe a little bit longer, just because it's so different to have a fake, you know, fake tips just underneath the lamp. So I like to do it just so that they're fully cured. And that is it, guys. Honestly, they're super not easy. Let me get that back, because they were time consuming for sure, because obviously it's a straight line and it's not a real person or finger, so it's a little bit challenging, but it is so cute. If you guys try it out, definitely tag me. And I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial on how to achieve this gorgeous look. Could be used for brides, for anything, any special occasion. And that is it. That is so cute. Now I'm gonna go ahead and place them in these boxes that I had already pretty much labeled and put double sticky tape on So make sure you pretty much, okay, so this is the problem with that tape. There's this one, I'll put it in the link below. I believe I got it at Walmart. It's blue. I don't like the color, but it's a lot easier to work with. This one was super sticky, so it was a bit challenging to get it off, but we managed to do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and place them how she would place them in her nails. So I did from left to right, and I pretty much just explained it to her anyways, but that's how I did it. And then just cover it, and you have yourself your nail set, your press-on nails. Every press-on nails comes with a little kit pretty much to apply the nails, an orange wood stick to push back your cuticles, a file to file and remove your natural nail shine, your glue, and alcohol pads. And I am also including nail tabs in case you want it just 1 to 2 day thing. The buffer is for when you remove them, you remove buffing your nails after removal. And that is so cute and simple, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Remember, like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications. Bye.